So you have asked for it, and I have heard your requests. So I have created a Facebook page, CraftsByDiane Plastic Canvas. And on this page, there are albums that I'm working on adding pictures to. There are already albums with pictures in them. So please stop by my page and follow me on this Facebook page as I create a video. Once it has posted, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. And while you have subscribed to my YouTube channel, you can hit the notification bell. It will let you know when I have posted a video. I will also share it to this Facebook page that you see here. So as you can see, the Facebook page and the YouTube channel, I have changed it. It was Diane Wood 74. I have now changed it to match my Facebook page. So please like, subscribe, give thumbs up, follow me, all that awesome stuff. And I appreciate your patience. I am working on this page this week, and hopefully in January you will start seeing more videos more often. And I appreciate your loyalty. Keep the ideas and questions coming. The more you give me ideas, the more things I can create for you. So thank you, and you have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you soon.